As you may know, if you have the Notify Requester of Received Request enabled, the contacts from your lists are most likely to receive duplicate notifications of the emails you send using proactive campaigns for bulk emailing. That's because the app creates tickets for each email sent within a campaign. Moreover, the app automatically creates in its campaign custom field that will be displayed for all the tickets in your Zendesk. Thus, if you have the Notify Requester of Received Request trigger on, the contacts will receive 2 notifications about the received request. One will be sent after the proactive campaign's trigger creates a ticket, and another one sent by the Notify Requester of Received Request. However, there is a workaround if you still want to keep the trigger enabled but want to avoid duplicate notifications. All you have to do is to add a custom field condition to your trigger. To do it, go to Admin tab. Triggers, click on the Notify Requester of Received Request trigger, then add condition. Is campaign is unchecked, and save the changes. Thus, the notifications created by this trigger will only be sent for tickets that have the Is campaign custom field unchecked. And this is it. Now you can continue using proactive campaigns without any inconveniences. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to contact our support agents. Also, visit GrowthDot.com to know more about our apps, themes, and services.